Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you a specific React.js component which allows you to make these Instagram stories. You can see it consists of images, videos. It appears for a certain period of time. So it is quite like the interface that you see in Instagram or WhatsApp stories that you see. So we have like this interface. There is a specific module which is there, which is called as react-insta-stories. This is actually the module right here. The command is very simple: npm i react-insta-stories. It is almost cost 20,000 weekly downloads. So it has got all the options. So you can create Instagram stories right in the browser itself from a series of images and videos. So I will show you step by step. So just create a functional component, and then we need to import this module. So using the import statement. So there is the stories which will be coming from React Insta Stories. So in this way, you will import this module at the very top. And now to use this module, we need to construct a array. Let me call this as stories. So this will be an array of objects. Each object will contain three properties. First is the actual URL of the image. So you can take any image from the internet, or you can even provide your local image as well. So I'm just taking this pixels image, and here then you can provide some more information about the image, who uploaded this image. So we have this heading option. So let me provide a John Doe. You can replace it with your own name. So it will appear at the bottom side section. You can just give it a heading, post heading, like this: posted 5 minutes ago, like this small little text. And then you can even show your profile image, basically which account has uploaded this image. So I will just also take this image from an internet. So this is actually the additional information about this image. And lastly, we also have this property which is duration. So how much time this image appears in the story. So let me provide 3000 milliseconds. So this equals to 3 seconds. So for 3 seconds, this image will appear, and we will repeat this two more times with different images. So you can see we are again having another image. We are changing the name and the profile picture. This will appear for 5 seconds because this is equal to 5000 millisecond. You can even show videos as well. You can even have video stories as well. Now for video, you will actually change the type parameter. You need to add the type parameter right here. So there is a specific type parameter you need to add, type for video, because this is actually a video. We are fetching it from this URL and having this video story. So this appears for 8 seconds. And now to actually show this in the JSX, we will use this component, which is we imported this component stories. And this component actually takes the stories as an argument, as a prop. And here we need to pass the stories that we defined in this variable, which is an array of objects. And then it again takes some default options, which is the default interval. So it will equal to the total amount of seconds. So I'm just equaling it to 1500 seconds. And the width of the story, this is very important. I will just make sure it is 432. And then you provide your height. So exactly I will equal to the Instagram story that he has. And then it takes the option. If you want to provide additional CSS styles, you can provide this using this property. I will just provide a border radius of 10 pixel and a box shadow. So using this attribute, you can provide some more additional parameters to your story. We're providing a box shadow right here. There is an option here, keyboard navigation. You can even control the story by your keyboard. So you can set it to true. And loop, there is a loop option. If you make it true, then it will repeat unlimited number of times. So if you just show it in the browser, if you check, go to localhost 5173, you will see each image will appear for certain time period that we mentioned right here. And this is your video story. The video is playing. You can even control it by your keyboard. If you press the arrow keys, you will see it will navigate to the next image in the story. So in this way, if you're building it a Instagram clone, then you can use this module to make the Instagram story component. And we do have these callback functions. When the story start, we can actually define this just console log message that your story has been started. Then we also have a callback function when the story ends. We also have this callback. So index variable is passed. So this actually refers to which story is basically doing it. So it is actually, and when all the stories are ended, we actually have this callback function that all stories ended. So this individual story on start on end, basically this index variable is passed right here. So we are showing this printing out this dynamic index variable. So it is, if you check your console, this story one started, if you see, then story one ended, story two started, and when the story two ended, you will see story three started. When all the stories will be ended, then that callback message will be printed out that all stories have been ended. You can see that. So we have all these callback functions which will be very much useful. So even control the progress bar styles. If you want to change this color, default color is white color that you see right here. You can even change this color as well by providing this progress bar styles. You can change this background color to black, and height you can change it to 5. So now if you see, it has been changed to black color if you see. So in this way, you can control this and make this awesome looking Instagram stories builder component for React.js applications. You can use images, videos, any sort of component. So you can use this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of free tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.